Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is on the Ultrasonic Rodent Repellent. This is the gadget for the person that owns that classic vehicle or that vehicle that has a sentimental value, but it's just parked in a barn, parked in a garage, under a carport, or on your property. And you need to be careful because when a vehicle sits for a long period of time, rodents look at it as a potential home. Every now and then you'll hear online these horror stories where someone has this classic vehicle they've been working on for like 10 years and it's their little hobby project that they get to when they get a chance to, and to see it destroyed when they pop the hood, a field rat moved in and destroyed and chewed up all the wiring. Let's head on over to the workshop. Here we have our 4-pack Ultrasonic Rodent Repellent by XPest. Let's open up our package. Cool. Comes with cable ties as well. In the package you get a warranty card, user manual, 4 rodent repeller, 16 cable ties and a Phillips screwdriver, 4 DC 2.1 plug to USB, 4 power cables with an inline fuse that you could connect to a battery. Let's talk about the unit. Here we have 2 blinking lights, our ultrasonic speaker, our red and green indicator, power on and off switch, and on the back is where you will use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw so you could place AA batteries. It takes 4 AA's. I like that we have 3 different ways to power our unit. The AA batteries, USB, also a battery source of 5 or 12 volts. Here's a screenshot of the 3 ways you can power your unit. Let's plug it into our portable power station here. When I power the unit on, we're going to see some white blinking lights. We're going to hear our ultrasonic sound and the red light indicating that it's powered on. Should flash every 2 seconds. Now once you've done that, your unit is now in working mode. Our working mode, it will work for 10 seconds every 100 seconds. If the unit is sitting still, it will continue this work mode process. If you're driving away and the unit senses shaking or any vibration, it will power down and it will power back on when it senses the vehicle is no longer in motion. My advice is, if you're installing this under the hood of a car, just make sure that you strap it down tight, that it's not going to fall or move out of place, and you don't want it near the engine or around your belt as well. You don't want this falling or getting in the way of anything that can cause damage to your vehicle. This unit's going to be great for me because I do have a Civic that's going to be sitting for quite some time until my daughter gets her permit. I'll be installing one of these units under the hood of this vehicle. The rodent that we get around here, we get a lot of squirrels. And the squirrels have the tendency to hang out and play underneath the cars. I don't know why. And since the vehicle's going to be sitting for some time, I don't want them to think that it can be a permanent place where they could come and hang out and stay warm. Also, I'll be installing one underneath the shed because something's been living under there. That's the great thing about this, because it does take AA batteries, and when you don't have a power source to power it, all you have to do is install 4 AA batteries. XPest reached out to me if I would like to do an unboxing video on their product, and in doing so, my subscribers get 40% off their product when you use my promo code 40 Handyman 2. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't wait too long, because the promo code is only limited time only.